Hi there, it's Matt from Duck Houses Direct, and today I'm going to go through the quick and easy process of yearly maintenance on a hen house. There's really only two things that you need to do for maintenance every year. This should be done in the late winter months, early spring. It's March here in Minnesota right now. We have the luxury of being able to access all of our houses via the ice on our wetland areas, so you can still put up houses and maintain them when the ice is gone, but it's just not as easy. So first thing that we're going to do is remove all the old nesting grass from the previous year. This is a great time to check to see the success rate of your houses from the previous year. We're going to be looking for nesting bowls, eggshell fragments, feathers. You'll know pretty easily if your house has been used. So we're going to go ahead and remove all the old nesting grass, and then we're going to put in some brand new Timothy grass or natural prairie grass. And we're going to fill this up, fill the tube up about 2/3 of the way full. We're going to leave about 1/3 open just so you can kind of see through it. Just makes it more accessible for the ducks. I think they see that and they realize what it is. So again, we're going to fill this up about 2/3 of the way full with nesting grass. And this has to be done every single year. Ducks will not bring nesting material to the nest, so we have to provide that for them. So once you get your nesting grass in there, the second step is we're going to shore up any gaps or holes in our flax material. Flax is very hard to come by. If you don't have flax available, you can also use a sturdy straw alternative. It's not going to last as long as flax does. We also offer maintenance bundles for your yearly maintenance. A bundle includes nesting material for a house along with flax straw to shore up any gaps in your tubes. So I'll show you that process right now. So for shoring up any gaps, again, I'm going to be using flax straw today. Get yourself a stick or a piece of lath, and we're just going to basically shove new material in there just to shore up any little holes that we might have. This flax material is super sturdy and it's going to last quite a while, but you'd be smart just to continue to add to it every year if you have that available to you. Just going to make it a lot quicker every single season. So we'll fill this up. I've got a couple more spots to do, and then that's it. Your hen house is ready to go for the year. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at duckhousesdirect.com.